Hello friends, welcome. My name is Neha. Today I have brought daily use spoken words for you. So stay till the end of the video. Let's begin. Doom. Doom means दंड देना. Wished. Wished means जानवर. Inject. Inject means सुई लगाना. Faint. Faint means कमजोर. Impart. Impart means देना. Devotee. Devotee means भक्त. Pair. Pair means जोड़ा. Nuzzle. Nuzzle means सूंघना. O means कर्जदार होना. Yap. Yap means भौंकना. Spy. Spy means जासूस. Land. Land means गली. Pity. Pity means दया. Jib. Jib means अड़ जाना. Might. Might means शक्ति. Quash. Quash means दबाना. Await. Await means इंतजार. Afoot. Afoot means पैदल. Tyranny. Tyranny means अत्याचार. Odour. Odour means सुगंध. Approval. Approval means अनुमोदन. Nap. Nap means झपकी. Muddy. Muddy means कीचड़. Lop. Lop means लटकना. Forbid. Forbid means रोकना. View. View means देखना. Fade. Fade means मुरझाना. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of my upcoming videos. See you in next video.